Great Britain is at the mercy of the elements. Snowstorm Larisa hit the north of the country. Due to heavy snow early Friday, traffic was halted on the M62 highway, reports The Guardian. Mountain rescue teams came to the aid of the blocked motorists. The Met Office has issued yellow warnings for potential risk to life and property for Northern England, the Midlands, North Wales, and Northern Ireland. These areas are expected to experience significant disruptions to transport, schools, and power supplies. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, stay connected and must subscribe my channel. Thank you.